Forget the myths. The path to a 760 credit score is faster and more straightforward than you think. It's not a measure of your wealth, but your financial reputation. It's a numerical score that tells lenders how reliable you are with borrowed money. A strong score opens doors, lower interest rates on cars and homes, and easier approval for apartments. Taking control of your credit is one of the most powerful moves for your long-term wealth. This guide shows you the right way. No tricks, just a proven system. Let's get started. Credit card companies, mortgage banks. A high score tells them you are a reliable borrower. It signals that you pay your debts as agreed. A low score or no score signals uncertainty, making them hesitant to lend you money. The entire system is managed by 3 major credit bureaus: Equifax, Experian, TransUnion. They are like giant financial libraries. They collect information from lenders about your borrowing and repayment habits, payment history, the amounts you owe, the types of accounts you have. The bureaus then compile this data into a credit report. Your credit score is then calculated using the information in that report. Your goal is to make sure the story your report tells is a positive one. It is a story of consistency and responsibility. Many people think having no debt is the same as having good credit. This is a huge mistake. Having no credit history means lenders have no information about you. To them, you are a complete unknown. An unknown is a risk. Therefore, to build a score, you must use credit. You have to borrow money, even in small amounts, and demonstrate that you can pay it back responsibly. The goal is not to get into debt. The goal is to use credit as a tool to build a positive history that will serve you for the rest of your life. This is why your income is not part of your FICO score. A person earning $40,000 a year can have a perfect 850 score. A person earning $400,000 a year can have a terrible 500 score. It all comes down to behavior. How you manage your financial obligations is the only thing that matters. This is great news. It means your credit score is entirely within your control. It is a level playing field where your habits, not your paycheck, determine your success. Now, let's look at the specific habits that matter most. Section 3. The 5 pillars. How your score is actually built. Your credit score is not a random number. It is calculated using a specific recipe with 5 key ingredients. Understanding these is essential. The most important pillar is your payment history. This accounts for about 35% of your score. Pay every single bill on time every single time. One late payment can cause a significant drop and stay on your report for 7 years. This is the #1 rule of credit. Set up automatic payments for at least the minimum to ensure you are never late. The second most important factor is credit utilization. This makes up about 30% of your score. It's the percentage of your available credit you're using. Starting with no credit? Get a secured card. You make a small cash deposit, which becomes your credit limit. Use it for a small purchase, and pay the balance in full. Another strategy. Become an authorized user on a trusted family member's account with a long, positive history. Their good record can give you an instant boost. Once you have an account, the plan is simple discipline. 1. Pay on time. This is non-negotiable. Set up auto pay. 2. Keep credit utilization under 10%. 3. Be patient. Let your accounts age and don't apply for new credit impulsively. Now, avoid the common mistakes. The biggest is missing a payment. The second is carrying high balances, a massive red flag. Also, don't close old credit card accounts. Doing so erases positive history and can lower your score. For some quick wins, ask for a credit limit increase. This instantly lowers your credit utilization, which boosts your score. Also, let a very small balance post on your statement, then pay it off. This shows you're actively using your credit. Ultimately, your credit score is a lagging indicator of your habits. Focus on the behavior and the score will follow. Your discipline today is your destiny tomorrow.